This is lineup FC Seoul, Korea Club and Buriram United Thai League Club. We play AFC Champion Elite. And from goalkeeper we have Cho Won, we play goalkeeper and he is South Korea. And coach FC Seoul we have Kim Ji Dong. And now we go to the central back we have Han Do Lee, the Korea player with 11 player when with Buriram United at home. And this is another central back Park Song, we play for central back for FC Seoul this week when meet Buriram United. And now we go to the left back we have Park Soo, we play left back for FC Seoul this week when meet Buriram at home. And now we go to the right back Choi Chun, we play right back for FC Seoul this week and he is South Korea. And now we go to the for CMF we have Song Mo, we play CMF for FC Seoul when with Buriram. And now we next CMF we have Jae Moon, we play CMF for FC Seoul this week when with Buriram United at home. And now we go to OWF, we have Song Won, we play OWF for FC Seoul this week when with Buriram United in AFC Champion Elite. And the next one is Marco, we play for FC Seoul this week when with Buriram United at home and he will start 11 player for OWF. And now we go to the Rodriguez, he will play CF for FC Seoul. And the next one is the England player and the superstar for FC Seoul is the Jesse Lingard, will start 11 player for FC Seoul this week. And now we will go to the lineup for Buriram United. From goalkeeper, the Philippine goalkeeper Neil, we start 11 player and coach, the name is Osman Los. The central back we have 3 is Cody Good, he is the Australian central back. Another central back we have Jong Sok, we play for central back, he is the South Korea player, we start 11 player for Buriram United. And the next one is central back, also the same 2 player. Tau Gol, we play for Buriram United this week for AFC Champion League Elite. And now we go to CMF, we have Patim Nama, he is the Indonesian player, we start 11 player for Buriram United for form 3-4-3. And the next one is CMF, we have Koran, we play for Buriram United for position CMF. And the next one is the CMF also, he will start 11 player, is a Peter, we play for 11 player for Buriram United this week. And the next one is the CMF also, he will play the right back for Buriram United or OWF Sandy West, he is an Indonesian player, we start 11 player for Buriram United when with FC Seoul. And now we go to the AMF, we have the Robert, we start 11 player for Buriram United when with FC Seoul. And the next one is a Thai player and a young star for Buriram United, and Thailand is the Supermat Mungta, we start 11 player for Buriram United. And this is the top scorer of Buriram United. And Brazil player Bisoli, we start 11 player for Buriram United this week when with FC Seoul in AFC Champion League.